Are air purifiers dangerous? If you have an air purifier or if you're considering one, a question that is bound to cross your mind is if they are dangerous. To give you an immediate answer, for the most part, air purifiers are safe as long as they're used as instructed by the manufacturer. However, certain types of air purifiers emit ozone and other byproducts as part of the cleaning process which, with prolonged exposure, can harm you and your pets. Air purifiers can be dangerous in a variety of ways. Based on our research, the way air purifiers can be dangerous can be split into two categories, namely, direct dangers and indirect dangers. Direct dangers include the dangers that arise directly out of your air purifier's normal day-to-day function. Indirect dangers are dangers that arise as a result of improper use of your purifier. You will encounter both the direct and indirect dangers depending on the type of air purifier you have. Some of the direct dangers include air purifiers releasing harmful gases into your indoor air or exposing you to dangerous light rays. As for indirect dangers, these include placing your air purifier in a busy part of your home where people can stumble over it and get electrocuted. We cover these in more depth on our blog and you can find the link to our detailed guide in the video description. However, if you would simply like to avoid the dangers of air purifiers, then here are 6 steps you can take to stay safe with air purifiers. 1. Choose air purifiers which do not produce dangerous byproducts. Time and again, the air purifiers we have found to not produce harmful byproducts are photocatalytic oxidation air purifiers and HEPA air purifiers. If you go the HEPA route, stick to true HEPA air purifiers. You also want to completely avoid ionic-type air purifiers. 2. Do not operate your air purifiers around wet areas of your home. This is quite straightforward and common advice with electrical appliances that are not water resistant. So there is no need to explain this further. 3. Keep your air purifier out of reach of children and pets. If you have pets and kids running around the house, get a wall-mounted air purifier or place your air purifiers in a place where kids can't accidentally bump into it or tamper with it. 4. Wear a mask and go outdoors when cleaning or replacing filters on your air purifier. To avoid inhaling and spreading air contaminants back into your home, wear a safety mask and take your device outside when cleaning or replacing the filter on your air purifier. 5. Only use an ozone air purifier when no one is around at home. Ozone is a powerful cleaning agent. It actually works well in cleaning the air, especially for musty smells and mold. However, the only time you should use it is when there is no one at home for the day, as it is harmful to your health when inhaled. Lastly, we have tip number 6. Read and follow your air purifier's instruction and safety manual. This piece of advice is given so many times, yet people overlook and ignore this basic principle. Not only will you know exactly what not to do with your air purifier, but you will also discover all the cool functions and features it comes with, if you go through your manual. On this note, you now have a good idea of the common dangers of air purifiers and you also know how to avoid these dangers. Accordingly, we hope you found this video useful. If you have any thoughts or questions, let us know in the comments below.